a lot of like chocolate covered brownies, maple syrup sprays. They have a lot of like really, I don't know, chocolate marshmallows. So here we are at Erin's Bed and Breakfast on Niagara-on-the-Lake. This is inside our bedroom. We have our own washroom. It's quite nice. The good thing also is outside. There's like a garden, there's swings, and you know, you can relax here. This is Rafe Estate Winery. I'm gonna check out some. We are tasting wines. By the way, the Riesling ice wine was very good. I tried that. We are now going to visit Peller Estates Winery, on Niagara-on-the-Lake. Got their wine fields are over there. Sorry, Enrico is tasting wines. Good. Good. And you want the Cab Frog, right? And what would you like us? So after drinking wine, we're going to eat at the Niagara-on-the-Lake Golf Club.
She's drunk.
I'm just a little bit tipsy.
She's drunk.
Just a little bit. It's beautiful. By the way, we are on the lake. So this is the view from the patio. If you eat inside or outside, the menu is different. So it's more expensive inside. And then they're cooking. Enrico is enjoying buffalo wings for the first time in his life. And they are spicy and good. Enrico got some ribs and normal fries and coleslaw. And I got a club burger with sweet potato fries. Yes, there is a theme here with me always ordering burgers. I just end up choosing burgers. So there's information about Fort Niagara, which is that building, that fort over there, which is in American territory actually. So if you're in Toronto, there's Bannock Burger. Like, remember we went to Bannock, and Bannock was pretty good. But here, we ended up paying more than there, and you know, it's more like fast food, right? So it wasn't as good. But Enrico ate buffalo wings for the first time, so look at the area. I just think it's really pretty, just the neighborhoods. Okay, so this is the main street, which is called Queen Street in Niagara-on-the-Lake. And this looks like the post office. Maple leaf fudge.
What is maple leaf fudge?
Probably where they make fudge, yeah. And well, let's walk straight. We're gonna walk straight and see. We're actually looking for a place for dessert.
It's quite big, that shop.
It's a cafe wine bar. We're gonna check out Taylor's Bakery. They have all kinds of pastries. Scones, tarts. I bought for Enrico a Nanaimo bar, traditional. So, what do you think?
Good.
It's good. This is a Canadian invention, I think, from British Columbia. And yeah, chocolate, some kind of like sugary cream, and almost like a brownie underneath, but it's like denser and with nuts inside, I think. But I like Nanaimo's. Like coconut, yeah, that's what it is. It's coconut. Yay! His name is Max. Japanese tourist. I just like that dog. Okay, that is the Prince of Wales Hotel. And we're across from a beautiful garden here. This is the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. It's a bit much though. Like, if you look at the stuff, they have chocolate covered apples. That's fudge. Yeah. You could buy normal kind of chocolates too, but they have a lot of like chocolate covered brownies, maple syrup sprays. They have a lot of like really, I don't know, chocolate marshmallows. I'm just not sure about it. The Viking shop is very interesting.